Hello friends, welcome to CT tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we can insert checkmark in Excel. So Excel is very useful whenever you are preparing any to-do list. So by using checkmark, you can mark your work status. So there is 3-4 ways by which you can insert these two symbol. Okay, first I will show how you can insert from the symbol option. So for this you have to click in the insert tab, then in the right hand side you will be able to see this symbol. Then you have to make the font wingdings 2, and here you will be able to see the right symbol. Click insert, it will insert it. You will be able to see the right symbol is inserted. So likewise, if you have make the payment for electricity bill and you want to mark this work as right symbol, in that scenario you need to change the font from normal text to wingdings 2, and then you need to select this. Okay, then if you want to make this work as cross symbol, it means you have not done or you have not completed this work. So for this I will show you the second step, which is the shortcut key. So for this you have to make this font, say cell font is wingdings 2, then press Shift O or Shift O or uppercase O. Okay, the third option is you can use by using conditional formatting. So first we will write a formula. If this equal to complete, then 1 else 0. Okay, now we can apply the symbol by using conditional formatting. Click on the conditional formatting, then click on new, then here click on icon sets. Okay, first change the type from percent to number, then change the symbol. Okay, no cell icon and cross. If the value is greater than 0, then it will give or insert a right symbol, and if the value is less than 0, less than equal to 0, then it will insert a cross symbol. So let's see, press OK. Now you will be able to see the symbol. So if you don't want to show this number also parallelly, so for this again go back to conditional formatting, then edit rule, select here only icons, click OK, then apply, then OK. You will able to see the number is hide from here and only the symbol is showing. So these are the 3 steps by which you can insert symbol, right symbol and cross symbol in Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new into my channel, make sure you have subscribed it, because you will get update whenever I will upload any new video related to Excel, VBA and SQL. And if this video helps you a lot, kindly share with your friends. And if you have any questions, write down in the comment section. I would love to hear from you.